Hi guys, so today I'll be changing the battery on my iPhone 6 model A1586. So the battery in a span of 20 minutes it will drop by almost 50%, so obviously you need to change it. So I went on Aliexpress. Apparently this is the brand again, and there's even some knockoff of this brand itself, so just be careful which store you go to. There are thousands of stores selling this brand. So I'll put the link of the shop that I got mine from. So it took me 3 weeks to arrive, and I ordered it on the first week of December and got it in about 3 weeks around there. It cost US $25.13, including shipping and tax. So I was really impressed with the shipping. And this store that I got it from had over 7,000 orders, so something must be good with this store. This is how it looks like. Apparently must be a lot of knockoff that they have to do, like all these seals, hologram and all that. 6 months warranty. And the battery capacity is increased, so standard is down 1810, so I'll be getting more capacity with this model. So let's get into it. Okay, out of the box you get, this is the battery. I believe this is the battery sticker. Looks a bit different from what there's two strips of battery sticker. Okay, let's see. We got this thing to remove the screen. What's that? Is that a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the bottom of the batteries? Phillips, no, what's that? Phillips head, tweezers, spudger, you can pause and read it. Oh, here you go. Okay, what's this? Yeah, that thingy. What's this? Oh, not in English. So cool. You can go on. I'll probably go on iFixit, but they even give you. I might refer to this as well. It looks pretty handy. I wonder if they ripped this off from iFixit. Most likely they won't, but cool. Give you one steps. This is so good. Yeah, just pause at each steps. Oh yes, it is for the battery. Very nice, very nice. Definitely will buy from them if the battery capacity remains. Cool. What else? And the battery itself. I hope I got the right battery. Well, let's see how we go. 2350. Okay. I'll also be using this eye opener or eye tool, whatever you call it. I got this when I was doing the changing the case on the iPod video, but it took so long to arrive. I never got a chance to use it. I just ended up using razor blade. So let's see how easy it is to use this if I get a chance to use it. And I'll put the link down because I can't remember how much I got it for, but all I remember is it took forever to arrive. Oops, use a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two bottom screws. Okay. This will probably take a long time, so I'm just gonna time lapse this, see how long it takes to get it open. Alright, that didn't take too long, only took a few seconds. Okay, it says to hold it up 90 degrees, hold it up to against something, just rubber band to secure it. Alright, so need to remove these two screws and that metal plate. Remove the battery connector, so it's upside down on this page. So that one there. Remove the 5 screws. Remember to put them in the right order because they're all different sizes using just Phillips head. So remove the 2 connectors. I fixed it, so there's one more. So underneath the 2 is there's another one. Okay, that removes the screen. Okay, this next step, it says to remove this piece here, but iFixit doesn't say to remove it. I guess makes it easier to remove the battery. No, let's just remove it. Okay, peel back black stickers, and then you can just stretch a adhesive sticker bit to remove this battery. Oh, slide that in, and then slide in, and then you can put a sticker on a new battery. That was the easiest battery removal ever. So yep, I got the right size. Let's put on the sticker and just replace it now. Right, so remove the backing, stick it like the white bits there. Make sure the tab is facing up that way and just reverse what you've done. Okay, so these white strips are the super stretchy stickers, and the transparent bit is just the backing. Also remove the plastic wrap on the battery before you apply. Alright, these instructions are so confusing, but I think I figured it out. Orientation must still be this way, the cable's here, but the white strips need to be onto the battery. But you see, I've put it the other way, and they're a pain to remove. The backing on the white strips itself, it's so hard to remove. So I'm going to remove that first. I need to use a razor to get to the backing. Yep, I got it. Okay. The white strips need to be on the battery, so don't mess this up. Okay. I hope this is right. Okay. Instruction says to connect the battery first before you put in the thing, so it's easier. Okay, line it up. There. Phew. Instructions say to disconnect and then reconnect again at the correct step, and just put back everything in reverse, and yeah, We're nearly there. As you can see, battery replacement was a success. It's still working. Yeah, it came out at 55% when I turn it back on, and it's really simple to change your battery. Yeah, really pleased with this brand from Aliexpress. It provided all the tools you need. I didn't even have to use my eye opener tool. It popped up really easy. Battery went on easily. The only thing I wasn't sure about was the battery sticker itself. So if anyone can read Chinese, can probably tell me what I did wrong. But yeah, thanks for watching.